In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up 301 redirects in Squarespace step by step, whether you're reorganizing your site, fixing broken links, or simply ensuring a smooth user experience. Understanding how to implement 301 redirects is an essential skill for managing your website. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have everything you need to seamlessly redirect traffic from old URLs to new ones, keeping your visitors and your search engine rankings happy. If you don't already have a Squarespace account, you can use the link in the description below to sign up and get started. All right, let's dive right in. First, head over to Squarespace and log into your account. Now, if your Squarespace account is linked with Google, you can log in using Google for quicker access. Either option works, so choose the one that's easiest for you. Once you're logged in, you'll see a list of websites associated with your account. Click on the website you want to work on. It's important to make sure you're selecting the correct website here, as any changes you make will only apply to the site you've chosen. Double-check this step before moving forward. Next, navigate to your site settings. You can do this by clicking on the gear icon or the word settings within your site configuration area. Depending on your view, it might look slightly different, but both options will take you to the same place. Once you're there, you'll see a menu of options that allow you to configure various aspects of your website. From the settings menu, look for the section called Developer Tools and click on it. This is where you'll find additional tools designed for more advanced site configurations. If you don't see Developer Tools right away, don't worry, it might just be nested under other options, depending on your layout. Take a moment to locate it before continuing. Now, within the Developer Tools section, click on URL mappings. This is the area where you'll set up your 301 redirects. Think of URL mappings as a way of telling your website where to send visitors when they try to access an old link. It's like leaving a forwarding address for your digital content. Here's where you'll enter your 301 redirect code. The format you'll use is simple. Type the old URL, then a space, followed by a dash and greater than symbol, and finally the new URL. For example, if you're redirecting from an old blog page to a new one, the code would look like this: /old-blog-page, space dash greater than, space, /new-blog-page. This tells Squarespace to take anyone who visits the old link and send them directly to the new one. Take your time to carefully enter the redirect code for each URL you want to redirect. Typos or formatting errors can cause issues, so it's worth double-checking your work here. If you're unsure about the exact format, Squarespace's Help Center is a great resource for more examples. Once you've entered all your redirects, it's time to save your changes. Look for the Save button, typically located at the bottom or top corner of the page, and click it. This step is crucial because it ensures that your redirects go live and start functioning immediately. Without saving, your changes won't take effect, so don't skip this part. And that's it. You've successfully set up 301 redirects in Squarespace. By following these steps, you've ensured that visitors who land on outdated URLs are seamlessly directed to the correct pages, helping to maintain your site's usability and search engine performance. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.